I'm going to show you how to do this hairstyle. I get a lot of questions about it and it's pretty simple, so I thought I would make a video and show you how to do it. Also, I like it because I can use this for second day hair and it looks like it's a fresh style. Keep watching if you want to see how to do it. So we're going to start by putting our hair in a bun, a very high bun. Instead of pulling it all the way through like a regular bun, we're going to leave a lot of hair out so that it makes it look like bangs. For my hair, that's what I do because it's so long. So it would be something like this in the end, and you're going to put this much in the bun. So we're going to go pull it as if we're going to put our hair in a bun and only do a little tiny one like this. And for me, I like to twist my hair a little bit, so it gives it more of a teardrop shape. So I kind of shift it like that. And then I pull the hair a little bit in more so it stays in place. And then I shape this hair how I want it to look when I have my scarf on. And I kind of shape the bun a little bit to be more rounded. So depending on what size scarf you have, mine's a pretty big one, it's just a regular one that you would use and it's over your neck. You fold it in half and make sure you try to get the wrinkles out too so that they don't show up in your hairstyle. And you're gonna take one corner and fold it up to the other corner and then even it out so it looks like a triangle. And then if your scarf does have a design on it and you want that part to be showing to other people, you want that to be on the outside. So since my pattern is on this side, I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to fold the blank side. So I'm just going to fold this straight edge up a few inches depending on what size scarf you have. That way you don't have a lot of extra fabric when you go to wrap this around your hair. So it should look like that. And when you go to put it on your head, you're just going to pretty much pinch these two end pieces and you're going to put the part with the lip against your neck. And then we're going to take our scarf that we have folded and we're going to put that side that has the lip on it is going to be against our head. So it should be kind of like a triangle like this. The lip is going to be on the inside and you're going to put your head down and put that lip on the back of your neck. Just like this. Make sure it feels smoothed out and straight. And kind of pull it a little bit. And you're going to want to make a little tie right here just to kind of hold it in place. And make sure that this bang stays above the scarf. So it's above the scarf, and I'm going to pull my ears out of the scarf on both sides. So my ears are out on both sides. And now I'm going to tighten this a little bit, but you don't want to tighten your hair, so you want to make sure that your hair is not in there while you're pulling this or you have to untangle it later. So I put my hand there and then pull the string or the sides, pull them until it feels tight enough but not too tight because I'll be wearing it all day, so I want it to be comfortable. So it's about like that. And this part here is going to be longer, the little triangle part. So you're going to fold that inward. Just make a little pinch right here. And then tuck it in. And make sure you tuck the front sides in also. There we go. And you want this to be just kind of high enough to where your bun is basically. And these are going to tie back and around. So you start with one side, and you hold, and you pull. Make sure it stays kind of like a nice shape how you want it to look. And pull this around your hand. And then you're going to hold that in place while you grab this side, and I pull it to the underside of that loop. And do the same thing. Pull it around to the side, to the front. And then you're going to pull it a little bit up and in, and make sure you get all of your little curls out of there that try to hide under these little flaps here. And you're going to tie it into a little bow. Tying it kind of light like that, and then you adjust this shape to be how you want it to be. So sometimes I'll make another tie to make it shorter, or sometimes I'll just leave it long. Depends on how I feel that day. So I make sure that the bun looks like a nice round shape, how I want it to look. Kind of like a donut bun is what we usually go for. And I tuck in like little extra pieces like this in my scarf. And these I will either shorten them by tying it again, or just leave it long how it is. And my curls in the front, I usually try to find my nicer looking ones, like my more coily looking ones, and I pull them forward so that it showcases them more. It makes it look a little bit more clean. If I see like any gaps like this, I try to fill them in a little bit by like stretching out my curls and pulling them in places like that. But however you prefer your shape to be that matches with the shape of your face, go for it. And this is kind of how it should look. For my everyday scarf look, it's kind of like a hair protective style, and also really good for second, third, fourth, whatever day hair you like to stretch yours to. If this video helped you, like, comment, and subscribe.